this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, driving our 78 Ford F150, ready to go to work. Come off a farm here in South Dakota. Got aluminum bed on it, so if you want a retro pickup that's definitely set to go work. I mean, it's definitely been a farm truck and isn't rusty. Nice clean old truck, goes down the road nice, 60 miles an hour. Then you see a fuel gauge working, good oil pressure, got a tack, heater's working. So if you want a pretty clean old retro work truck for not a lot of money, this will definitely fit the bill. Older paint on it, a few scratches and chips here and there, but just very presentable for a work truck. So maybe you want to take the aluminum bed off, find a box, and restore it, because it's a good solid truck. So we've headed to a shop, checked it over. Like I said, this could be a daily driver by all means. So got an aftermarket temp gauge down there too. So. And a light bar up on top. So maybe you want to use it for cabin. We're great for that with a flatbed and the light bar, and they put a little shelf up here. So like I said, pretty handy to use for a work truck. So any questions? 605-695-7391.